So my sculpture is still standing, so far successful. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of these pieces, and I want it a little bit smaller for what I have in mind. So fortunately, the foam core, it will let you mark on it, so I can draw here a line, or even a mark that tells me that's where I'm going to cut it. And because Melanie's work is composed of right angles, I don't want to cut it at an angle that's less than 90 degrees. So a perfect right angle would be like the corner on a square, the corner on a rectangle. Now, I have an idea. I want this to be attached here. And it would seem like if I put it against there, well, it's sort of floating in the air, it's gonna like fall. Well, as long as I follow my rule where I have at least 2 points of contact and I have a right angle, it might actually work. So I'm gonna put glue on these edges that will be touching inside of there. So some here, and then some here. Now, only moments ago, I glued these other pieces, so I know that glue is still wet. So I've really got to hold everything to support it, then put this against here, and then I'm going to do my wiggle trick to get the glue to grab a hold better. And I'm going to hold this a little bit longer than I normally would after doing my wiggle trick. And then I'm going to see, does it actually stay together? No, I didn't hold it long enough. So apparently I need to hold it there, wiggle it some more, and hold it longer. Maybe in my head like count to 10. If I were in a room full of people, I wouldn't do it out loud. They'd all hear me. Plus if they do it, then we can't hear each other. So when I let go, it seems to want to hold on there, okay? Because that time I held it longer. So I want to be careful about moving it around too much because I know the glue is wet. I just got that joint on there. But now I'm going to start thinking, well, is there another place that I can attach this? Because it would really help if I add another piece that holds on to the other side in my design. That would make it stand up even more. So you're going to add a couple more pieces to yours, and I'm going to be adding some pieces to mine.